This video introduces Renesas C compiler license types and characteristics. Renesas C compilers bring out the performance of Renesas original cores. There are three types of compilers: CCRL, CCRX, and CCRH. You can choose the compiler license type based on the following: form of usage, which is node-locked or floating; period, which is permanent or annual; feature, which is professional or standard. We will introduce the difference between them. First, about the difference in form of usage. A node-locked license is for use on one computer. The license key is managed by the license manager. It requires the same number of licenses as the number of computers used. Floating license shares the license among computers on a network. A request is sent to floating license management software, and then a license will be granted to license manager. The number of licenses required is equal to the number of computers using it at the same time. Next, about the difference in period. Permanent license has unlimited period of use. Annual license has 1 year period of use. It costs lower than a permanent license. Annual license gives the flexibility when there is a need to increase or decrease the number of developers. Next, about the difference in feature. Standard Edition supports C programming language specifications which comply with ANSI standards. In addition to the features of the Standard Edition, the Professional Edition provides advanced features which help to improve the quality of your programs and shorten development periods. These additional features are only available in the Professional Edition. Note that it depends on the compiler you are using. There are documents such as flyer and application note to introduce the features available in the Professional Edition. The flyer summarizes the features in the Professional Edition. Refer to the application note when you want to learn the details of the features and see source examples.